Clover is one of the better known POS systems for small businesses, and for a lot of owners, it can work perfectly fine. It gives you recognizable hardware, payment processing, apps, and tools for restaurants, retail stores, service businesses, and other local businesses. But some owners eventually start asking, is this still the best fit for me? And that usually happens for a few reasons, right? So some feel that the total cost gets confusing once you factor in hardware, monthly software, payment processing, add-ons, and provider agreements. Others like the basic checkout experience, but really feel limited when they need, stronger inventory, better reporting, smoother online sales, or more restaurant-specific workflows. And then you'll see complaints around, support, account issues, hardware flexibility, and feeling boxed in once everything is already set up. And that doesn't mean that Clover is bad, right? It just means that it may not be right for every business. So if you've run into those same issues with Clover, let's go ahead and walk through 3 strong alternatives and where each one does better. The first Clover alternative that I'd look at is Toast. And for restaurant owners, this is my top overall recommendation. Now, Toast isn't the best POS for every small business. If you run a boutique, bookstore, or repair shop, you'll probably want to pay closer attention to the other POS platforms in this video. But if you run a restaurant, cafe, bar, bakery, food truck, pizza shop, quick service spot, or full service restaurant, Toast is built much more directly around how food businesses operate. And that's the big difference compared to Clover. Now, Clover can work for restaurants, right? But Toast feels more restaurant native. Menus, modifiers, tables, handheld ordering, kitchen workflows, online ordering, delivery tools, loyalty, reporting, and restaurant hardware all feel central to the product. Toast Starter Kit is listed at $0 per month, though your real cost can depend on your hardware, payment processing, and extra tools. So don't just look at that, $0 starting price and assume that that's your full cost. Ask what the full setup will cost once you add what your restaurant actually needs. Now, where Toast can really beat Clover, though, is workflow. Imagine a busy lunch rush where, servers take orders at the table, orders go straight to the kitchen, online orders come in, and your manager checks sales from the back office. Toast is designed for that kind of environment, right? The drawback is that Toast may be more platform than a very small or simple business needs. If you're just taking, basic payments at a counter, it could feel like overkill. But if Clover feels too general and you want something that's purpose-built for restaurants, Toast is the strongest place to start. Now, if Toast sounds like the right fit for you, you can click the link right up here or in the description below to check current pricing. Now, the second Clover alternative is Lightspeed, and this is the one that I'd watch closely if inventory is one of your biggest frustrations. Lightspeed is especially strong for retail businesses that need more than basic item tracking. Think boutiques, bike shops, pet stores, bookstores, jewelry stores, and other retailers that carry a lot of products, variations, vendors, and categories. This is where Clover can start to feel limiting for some retailers. You may be able to ring people up just fine, but once you need stronger purchase orders, product variants, barcode workflows, low stock tracking, vendor management, multi-location inventory, and deeper reporting, you may want something that's more retail focused. Lightspeed Retail starts at $89 per month, so it's not the cheapest option here. But for the right business, that price can make sense if it helps you control your inventory and make smarter buying decisions. Now, for example, if you own let's say a clothing store, you need to know the size, color, vendor, margin, location, and whether that item should be reordered. Lightspeed also includes e-commerce, payments, customer profiles, staff tools, integrations, and reporting, so it can support a retail business beyond basic checkout. Now, the main limitation is that Lightspeed may be a little bit too much for very small businesses that only sell a handful of products. It's also not the platform that I'd pick first for restaurants. But if you want something that really fits a retail business better than Clover, check out Lightspeed using the link in the description below. Now, the third Clover alternative is Square, and it's probably the easiest one to understand because it's built for simplicity. If Clover feels expensive, confusing, or locked in, Square is appealing because you can get started quickly, the pricing is easier to understand, and the free plan starts at $0 per month. You'll still pay processing fees when you take your payments, and you may pay more for hardware or upgraded features, but the starting point is very beginner friendly. Square is a good fit for small retail shops, pop-up businesses, food trucks, service businesses, salons, markets, and owners who want to sell in person and online, without making setup complicated. Now, one of Square's biggest strengths is that it connects a lot of tools under one umbrella, right? So POS, payments, invoices, online store tools, gift cards, staff tools, appointments, and basic inventory. Now, compared to Clover, Square can feel more flexible for owners who want a low friction way to start selling. You can, use different hardware options and upgrade as you need more tools as well. The trade-off is that Square may not be the best fit for complex restaurants or advanced retailers. If you need deep menu management, kitchen workflows, inventory forecasting, or any heavy multi-location controls, Toast or Lightspeed will definitely be better. But if you want a POS that's easy to launch, easy to train employees on, and flexible enough for basic in-person and online selling, Square is definitely worth a look, and you can find a link for them in the description below. All right, so next here, to make sure that you make the right choice, let's talk about what to look for in POS software. So before you switch from Clover or really any POS system, don't just ask, which one is cheapest. That's how a lot of business owners end up frustrated again 6 months later. Instead, look at the full cost. That includes the monthly software fee, hardware costs, card processing rates, contract terms, add-ons, cancellation rules, and whether the tools that you actually need are included or locked behind a higher plan. Then think about speed and reliability, right? Now, if you have lines out the door, dinner rushes, weekend crowds, or high transaction volume, your POS can't be the thing that's slowing everything down. Inventory is another big one, right? So a good POS should help you track stock, variance, modifiers, purchase orders, low stock alerts, and multi-location inventory if your business needs that. Now, for restaurants, that may mean menu items and ingredients. And for retailers, it may mean sizes, colors, vendors, and reordering. You should also look at payment flexibility, reporting, customer profiles, employee permissions, hardware options, e-commerce tools, accounting integrations, loyalty programs, payroll, scheduling, and customer support. And, speaking of support, right? That matters more than most people realize. If your POS breaks during a Saturday rush, you really don't want to have to wait until Monday morning to get help. Now, that all said, the best POS isn't always the one with the most features, right? It's the one that fits how your business actually makes money. So if you're moving away from Clover, right, my recommendation is pretty simple. For restaurants, Toast is the best starting point because it's built around food service workflows, not just basic checkout. Now, for retail businesses with serious inventory needs, Lightspeed is probably the better fit. That's linked below. And if you want something that's simple, flexible, and easy to start with, Square makes sense, also linked below. Now, the right choice really depends on what's frustrating you right now and what will be in the future. If it's restaurant operations, look at Toast. If it's inventory chaos, look at Lightspeed. And if it's cost and simplicity, look at Square. Again, I've put all the links in the description below to the best deals or pricing that I was able to find as well. Using those links supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and I appreciate it. And if you're using Clover right now, please drop me a comment below and let me know what's making you think about switching or which POS system you're kind of leaning towards. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.